Hello dear students, how are you today? I hope you are good. Today we are talking about a new sound, which is a sound. A sound. Let's start. The letter A and the letter R, they both makes the sound of R. R. For example, we have J. When we add R, it becomes jar. Jar. Also, you can pronounce as jar. No different. And here we have more examples.
Car, car. My father drives a car. Barn, barn. Barn is the animal's house. Farmer, farmer. Farmer works in the farm. Garden, garden. There are flowers in the garden. Jar, jar. The candies are in the jar. Scarf, scarf. The deer wears a scarf in winter. Sharp, sharp. The knife is sharp. Party, party. My friends are dancing in the party. Arm, arm. I have 2 arms. Armchair, armchair. This is my grandma's armchair. Art, art. My favorite subject is art, and I draw a nice picture with my art teacher. Far, far. The bird is far. Shark, shark. I'm afraid of shark. Bark, bark. The dog is barking. Park, park. Kids are playing in the park.
Review time. Dear students, let's make a review together. Can you remind me what's this? Very good. This is car. And how about this one? He is a farmer. Very good. And what's this? Scarf. Very good. And this one, this is a jar. Jar. Very good. And what's this? This is very good. This is a shark. Shark. Well done. And how about this one? Very good. This is armchair. Armchair. Story time. One day, Sarah goes to a farm. She sees a farmer in the farm and a big green garden, and also she sees a far dog which is barking. She likes there very much. Before it gets dark, she returns to home. Thank you for watching. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.